This is Mira's new favorite toy. None of her toys fight back like this. She can just get them in her mouth and destroy them. This thing starts wiggling and she kind of doesn't try to destroy it. So it has two modes. It's purple mode that gets a little crazy. And a blue mode that's a little more relaxed. But it is made of like an E-TPU, so it's pretty tough. She hasn't bitten any holes in it yet. You don't want to leave it around for her to gnaw on, but if it's just out and around and she's biting it and stuff, it's not going to get torn apart while she's playing with it. But really great for playing indoors when it's raining. You don't have to have huge space for it. It kind of just bounces around and lets her get out that wild energy.